The main goal of steering is simple. Control the angle of the front wheels so the car goes where you want. When you rotate the steering wheel, that motion travels through a series of components that make the wheels turn. Each part ensures the wheels respond accurately, without slipping or binding, giving you complete control. The first component is the steering column, a metal shaft that connects your steering wheel to the steering mechanism at the wheels. When you turn the wheel, the column rotates, transferring that motion down the system. Most columns include universal joints, which allow the shaft to bend slightly. This lets the steering wheel sit at a comfortable angle while still transmitting motion efficiently. Most cars use a rack and pinion steering system. The steering wheel turns a pinion gear, which moves a rack, a straight metal bar connected to the wheels. This linear movement of the rack pushes the tie rods, which move the steering knuckles, turning the wheels. Rack and pinion systems are precise, responsive, and allow the car to react immediately to your input. Turning the wheels is not just about angle, it's about following the correct path. When a car turns, the inner wheel travels a smaller circle than the outer wheel. To account for this, engineers use Ackermann steering geometry, which angles the wheels slightly for proper turning. This prevents tire scrubbing, reduces wear, and ensures smooth handling. Turning the wheels manually, especially at low speeds, requires effort. That's where power steering comes in. Hydraulic power steering uses a pump driven by the engine to push fluid into a cylinder connected to the rack, assisting your input. Electric power steering uses a motor and sensors to detect your input, providing extra force directly. Electric systems are more efficient and allow advanced features like lane keeping assist and variable steering effort. The tie rods carry the movement from the rack to the steering knuckles at the wheels. Adjustable tie rods allow proper wheel alignment, ensuring the car drives straight and handles predictably. The knuckles pivot as the tie rods push or pull, turning the wheels to follow your input. The steering ratio determines how far the wheels turn relative to the steering wheel movement. A low ratio means quick, responsive steering, good for sports cars. A high ratio requires more wheel rotation, common in trucks or stable vehicles. The right ratio balances control, comfort, and responsiveness. Modern steering systems are more than mechanical, they're safety critical. Collapsible columns protect drivers in collisions. Variable assist steering adjusts effort based on speed. Electronic stability control helps maintain control during skids or sudden turns. Precise steering is essential for all of these systems to function properly.